Hello everybody. I am getting my first look of Echo Park's card kit of the month. I have no idea what's in the box. I didn't look. This kit comes every other month, and this is the first time I'm receiving this. This is June's kit, I believe. I don't know the name of it, if there is a name, so let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. Ooh, what do we have here? Join our card maker club. We have some ads, summer inspiration. This is the May 2021 kit, it says. I was pretty sure we were getting June's kit. I don't know, but we will open it and see what's in here. I didn't want to rip that, but I guess I have no choice. It's not coming up. Come on. Ooh, it's like, ooh, look at this. Okay, let's take this out. Put that to the side. And we might as well look at this stuff first. We have some enameled dots in these fun colors, if I can get them down, that match the rest of the paper we've gotten here. We've got the 5 different colors. We've got adhesive brads across the top. It's got some jewels, some different fun brads. They're flat. Some little pearls with metal in the background, and a few chipboard stickers. We've got some fun washi tape. Oh, that'll be interesting to play with. I don't use washi tape a lot, but I've got a lot of washi tape. We've got chipboard accents. This is called Cartabella Summer, it looks like is the name of this. We've got some ephemera. Let's see. Here, I'll move the paper off to the side for a moment so we can look at the ephemera real quick. I don't want to be here all day looking at that, but we've got some fun stuff. It looks like little watermelons and banners and sentiments. You are the sweetest. That's so much fun. Thanks a bunch. I love it. You are very sweet. You are my sunshine. Life is a beautiful ride. For you. Strawberry seeds, best memories. This little frame. Happy days. Soaking in the summer fun and sun. And lastly, the paper. The paper, oh looky there. We've got a sheet of the stickers with all sorts of fun stuff on there, and 12 by 12 pattern paper, double-sided. Ooh, I like the strawberries. I love all of this so far. This is all just stuff I would have bought anyway. So look at that. That's so pretty. Cut aparts, yellow with white daisies, pretty flowers in the little mason jars. Got some, looks like gingham, only it looks like watercolor stripes and a gingham pattern with the pretty pink, yellow, and blue flowers. It's just so beautiful. Little forget-me-nots, it looks like. And we've got some more cut aparts and tags, it looks like. Actually, it looks like these are all in the shape of tags. So you could either use this as a background or cut them out, fussy cut them. So much fun. I don't know. I love this side though too. I want it all. I want it all. And we've got some blue flowers. Kind of reminds me of wallpaper. Oh, that's fun. Nice fun background. This is kind of a plaid. Lemons. I don't know if you've watched my channel before. You'll know that I love lemons. I just love the way they look on a background, and I'm definitely going to be using that. We've got some polka dots. It's almost on like a peachy red type of background. More cut aparts. These are like index card sized. So they're not quite, well, 5 by 7. What are they, like 5 by 4? Not sure. They are 6 by 3 3/4 almost. Yeah, 3 3/4. And we saw that side. We've got this real pretty striped watercolor-like background again with a pretty flower card. You can just cut that out on a card if you want to. More pretty flowers. Looks like polka dots. And these are postage stamps. Those really cool. I like that a lot. Watermelon. More cut aparts. And we've got some more stripes. And more flowers. This is bigger than, same as the other one, only much bigger. And that is it for the Echo Park card kit this month. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If so, please subscribe. I'd love to get up to 50 subscribers before the month is out. Thank you.